planner friends. So today I'm going to be planning in my Erin Condren Neutral from February 27th through the 5th. I'm going to be using the It's Just Paper Co. February Mystery Kit that I had received in the mail not too long ago. I also have my Once More with Love Wacky Holidays for March that I'm going to be putting up at the top or at the bottom. This is how my March monthly spread turned out. I didn't film this one because I did it at a planner meetup, just like this spread here as well. But yeah, this is from Tamashii Prints. I thought it was great. It was a little bit cut too short, but that's okay. But yeah, so without further ado, I'm just going to get started. Okay, so this kit is pretty full, as you can tell. I have the quadruple box, I have the glitter headers, the deco, and then the whole kit. I'm going to try to use as much as I can with still making it functional. I don't really write stuff in my planner when I'm doing my Plan With Me's anymore. I kind of write it as the day goes on, but I pre-lay out all the stickers, if that makes sense. So I do hope you enjoy. This Friday is my husband's birthday, and then Saturday we are celebrating. That's really my only plans. I get a Color Crush TN in the mail on the 28th, and then my Rogers cell phone bill is due, but there's nothing exciting. I've been using the sticky notes that I got at a planner meetup from a D-Stash. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a flip through video of my planner. I usually have filmed all my spreads, but I can still do a flip through video from whenever I started using it. I don't know. Yeah, September through, well, I actually got it in October, but I did a rewind Plan With Me using these pages here. But yeah, let me know. I can do that. There's quite a big chunk, if you can't tell. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I also have a coupon code. It is Sydney15 for 15% off. You can't use it during her, for her mystery kits or her Toonie Thursdays. So keep that in mind when ordering. Okay, super weird. So I had to pause the video to do my nails because they looked really gross, and also take a shower. So now I'm going to continue. So if you're wondering why my nails are different, that is why. Okay guys, so this is my finished plan with me using the It's Just Paper Co. February Mystery Kit. I really did enjoy using this kit. I have to remember to use my Wacky Holidays every week now for the rest of March. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the glossy versus more of a matte spread. So these are the stickers that I have left, which I have quite a lot, so I can do another spread with. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.